Hi guys, today I am going to teach you how to make a remote control car. Please subscribe my video. For making it, we need some wires, ice cream sticks, motors, pipes like then metallic wire, some bottle caps and gum. Now we will take the motor, we will join it and minus plus. Then minus we will join to plus and positive terminal to negative. Look. Now we will make a model like this. We will attach two wheels here and here. We will attach a motor here and like this we will make a structure. Here are the metallic wires which will act as bumper and it will not and it will help the motors to turn. Okay, here we will attach an antenna. One antenna we will attach it from wires and then to the motor. See, we will put like this, front, back. So here I have given some space for it and like this we'll attach it. Now we will take two bottle caps. We'll put it here. Zoom in. And we will attach from rubber band so that it turns and comes it back to its place. We will apply same principle here and we will take the positive terminal. We'll attach this to this, this to this, same way here, and this we will attach to the car. Now I show you how this car works. Front, then wheel goes front. I'll put back, wheel goes back. Now see the turning one here. I put left, this also goes left, right, then right, left, right. Okay.
Nah, sitting mana?
Look. Thank you for seeing my video. If you like it, please subscribe it for my next video. Thanks.